A new video with a new game? There's no way. A friend suggested this. It's called The Looker. I have no idea what this game is about. So, yeah, I'll just start playing it. Okay. It's supposed to be like a puzzle game, I think. So far, so good. What if I do this? Alright. Okay. I see a puzzle thingy over here. Let's just go do it. Another one right here. Let's follow this thing then. Let's see where it leads us. Oh, we're in a castle of some sort. Is there like a story to it? What is this jump? What the hell? Oh, I can't go here. Why can't I jump? Am I like so heavy or something? Oh, am I trying to leave this place? Why is this shiny? Okay, let's continue the red wire. Hint?
You can do it.
Well, yeah, I'm doing it. What?
I believe in you. This is all you.
It's all me. But this is not going anywhere. It's going into the ground? Am I supposed to play chess? Am I... Can I open this? Hello, the wire is not going anywhere. Do not come in. Thank you for understanding. I wanna go and open up. I'm lost already. That must be a record or something. These are not activated, right? I can't do anything with them. But can I get actual hints?
Yeah, keep trying. Yeah, there's a trick to it, but you've got it. Yeah,
I don't think I do.
Maybe you can't do it.
What?
Maybe you're weak. Maybe you're stupid. You should be embarrassed, but you keep crawling back like a mewling calf at my chafing teat. Pathetic.
Bro, you good?
You can do it.
Okay. I would appreciate some real hints. This wire isn't going anywhere. I'm lost. I can't do it. I can't do it at all. You did those. This went up. Am I stupid? Am I actually stupid? It goes into the ground. What am I supposed to do? Like, can I draw a red line?
I believe in you.
I don't. I guess I am stupid. It was all true. It was all true. Oh? Okay. Found a new one. Dude, why are they all going up or something? Oh?
Kubla Khan received an ornate letter signed by Marco Polo. In
I'm...
Madrid, city of
I
lost
don't-
things, no item remains where it was sent. If one drops his key in the dirt, he may never re-enter
Huh?
his home. And even if he manages to stoop and recover the key, he may rise to find a tulip garden where his house once stood. In
I don't-
complimentary fashion,
Can you stop?
Kubla Khan received an ornate letter signed.
Can
Kubla
you
Khan received an
stop?
ornate letter signed by Marco Polo. Kubla Khan received
Oh,
an
God.
ornate letter signed by Marco Polo. In Madrid, city of lost things, No item remains.
So I
for
have to
his
listen to this.
If one drops his key in the dirt, he may never re-enter his home, and even if he manages to stoop and recover
Okay.
the key, he may rise to find a
Can
tulip
you?
garden
How
where his
am
house
I
once stood.
hearing you from all the way
In
here?
complementary fashion, things lost by others are forever turning up.
Please shut
A
up.
pocket watch on a coffee table. A fond memory in your recollection. I even know
Okay,
of a prince who
maybe I
turned
can
up
just
in a
follow
prison
this.
cell. When he appealed to the guards for his release, he failed to find the crown on his head. And when he was asked
It's
his
still
name,
speaking.
he searched his
I don't.
lips, but could
I have
not
no
find it.
idea what you're saying, buddy.
Indeed, the only hope now for the release of this prince of Spain is for you to send back 300 ducats for his release. Of course,
What?
he will reward you handsomely once he is out. Yours truly, Marco. Kubla Khan
Oh.
cocked an eyebrow and declared
What?
before his court, "Hey everyone, looks like we're about to get ripped off by the guy who traded gold for paper." The court erupted in booming laughter. Italo Calvino, Invisible Cities 2, this time it's visible.
That is not. This time it's visible. What? Okay, this is not the right way. Let's go this way. It's an actual maze. After doing all those fake mazes. Wait. Wait a second. Damn it. I am stupid. I really am. I hate it. Huh? That's that is not possible. Hello? This one is broken, everyone. Can someone help? What? I don't know what to do here. Oh, I can draw it from all the way here. Oh, that's cool. Can I like... I don't know. I have no idea how to solve this one. Oh god, I hate puzzle games. Why did my friend suggest this? What am I gonna do? Oh. What? 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 What the hell? Can I... How do I do that? Like this? Ah, it didn't reach there, I guess. Can I turn my head at the same time? Because I don't think I can do that. Oh. Okay. I got it. I got it. I hate it. Oh, do I actually have to do this one? Oh, now it worked? Why? I thought I was doing something wrong. This is... I hate it. The mazes are getting... There's no end to this one. Hello? Where am I going? It literally doesn't have an end. What?
Beep,
What the hell?
beep, beep.
How does that help at all?
Beep,
So it's invisible.
beep. Beep.
Okay, it's
Beep.
here, right? No?
Beep. You're right there. I mean, beep. Beep.
What?
Beep.
Okay.
Beep.
Is it here? Okay, shut up,
Beep.
please. It's
Come on,
here,
beep.
right? Start and okay, what is this one? What is the trick on this one? It seems easy. Okay, there's no trick. Maybe there's no trick all the time, right? Okay, we go this way. Man, I feel like my brain is hurting. And if we reach here, and if we follow this one... Oh god, a chessboard? Can I draw on it? No. There's a book here. Can I draw on the book? If I can't, okay. Yeah, that's disappointing. It goes to the chessboard, but I don't see anything coming out of it. Except for the one that went to the ground over here. I might actually have to look this up. Because...
This is all you.
Shut up, I can't. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, you know what? Let me check something. Let me check something over here. We came out of this place, right? And the corridor was going backwards pretty far, so it's gonna take a while, but I will walk all the way there. Oh, we can run! I am so stupid. Oh my god, I've been walking all this time. What? Whoa, let's go! I got my ammo and health. No, I am not deleting my save. I don't know, I'm lost. I am
Go on, Don't look at me.
What the hell?
Can you hear me? I'm nothing but a rusty chunk of steel. You don't want nothing to do with me. Alright. I'll tell you my story.
Alright.
It was
That's
June
not...
the 8th,
okay.
1947, gray morning, slightly foggy. I had my own practice then, and I was living higher than a cosmonaut on a stepladder.
Okay.
My hints were subtle too, real subtle. Back then, they said good old hint button. His hints could steal the tail off a weasel. Then they tossed me in the can. Know what, know why, know how. Those were the mean times. When all the common sense in the world won't make a nickel to buy you a black coffee. I used rope to tie my pants and pants to tie my shoes. I made do the way a man does. Till one day, after stealing the socks off a fireplace, I caught my own look in a puddle of bootleg rye and realized I had to do what I'd never done before. I gave myself a hint. So that's
Damn.
me. I was nothing but a downtown crumb who dreamed of being a whole sandwich. Now I'm just another sloppy Joe. Come back when you got something.
I am here to get something. You are the hint
You
button.
got a good one.
Oh man. Why? I made the other hint button.
You can do it.
Shut up. I'll Google and come back. Well, I didn't fully get it, but he opened this door on the tutorial by doing this and this. Wow. Hello. That is scary. Did you just make a sound? Oh. It's literally not behind me, buddy. Why are you lying to me? Can I leave? Wait, why can't I run? Oh no, a ghost! What is going on? What the hell? A shotgun? Alright. Hi. No, I won't shoot you. Don't worry about it. Puzzles? I don't need them. Oh, we're up here now.
That's very original.
Okay.
It just needs more red, I think. Now you have too many loops. Try adding some more stuff. No, try putting some more loops on it.
That was great though, come on. Oh, can I just leave this place? Oh, maybe they shouldn't cross. I clicked on the wrong thing again. What if it's like this, and this, and this goes here? Nice. Whoa, this is a fancy place. Whoa, what?
You can only get good at chess if you love the game. Grandmaster Bobby Fischer.
Okay, what did this do? Oh god. This is not good. Okay, we do this. We do that. And we do this one. Oh. Who's winning? That's mate. That was it? Why did I do that?
I hate chess. I hate chess. I hate chess. World champion Bobby Fischer.
I don't think he said that. I'm not sure. I feel like that's not the right code. I can't do it anymore. Huh. Whoa, we're at war? Where we are warring? Oh, I missed. Do I have to actually aim at it? That's insane. That is so cool. Why am I killing these ships? Do not question. Kill. Bam. Got him. Does that do it? That did it, okay. Should do it as well. Get out of here, ship people. How did I miss the first time? Okay. Now what? Why did I do that? Hello? Why the hell did I do that? I see some like village houses or something on the... I don't know. Oh, I can go down. Whoa, what? Arcade? Okay. We gotta get this thing working. Oh, it's this door. I see, I see. So what happened with the chest thing? Did it work or... It literally did nothing. Oh. That's the key. Oh. You're doing something. Okay, that's very slow. The ultimate puzzle. Tic-tac-toe. Oh, let me play some tic-tac-toe first, right? The X is on the middle, so you won't lose. The ultimate puzzle. It's this way. And final. So it was literally made out of light, but there is some stuff that I haven't done. So I will be back. Where was the door? I don't remember. It's here. Because there are some arcade games there. I wanna do arcade stuff. Oh.
Wow.
I hear music.
A ship owner was about to send to sea a venerable old ship. He knew that her barnacled hull,
All right.
however, had often needed repairs, and doubts were suggested to him that possibly she was not seaworthy. The conscientious old captain thought at once to have her thoroughly refitted, even though it should put him at great expense. Before the ship sailed, however, he managed to stifle these bothersome misgivings, and said to himself that she had gone safely through so many voyages that it was idle to suppose that this trip should be any different. He put his trust in Providence, and banished from his mind all ungenerous suspicions about the honesty of the ship's builders, and in such ways he acquired a sincere and comfortable conviction that his vessel was altogether safe and seaworthy. He watched her departure with a light heart, encouraging the crew to dream of the profits that this voyage would return. And he got his insurance money when she went down in mid-ocean and told no tales. What shall we say of him? Surely this.
Why did I do that?
Oh, God. Oh. Why did I do that? Oh.
Look, I don't know, okay? There's not much to do. I can't turn this thing. Right? I want to do the arcade games, please. Can I do arcade games? Please. I guess I'll just go outside. Maybe I am trying to skip some stuff for no reason. Alright. Actually, I will end this episode here. Wow, more episodes of the same game? That's crazy. Yeah, that's it for today. That's an oil thingy. So they pour boiling stuff on people who are coming in. Yeah, that's the end of this episode. See you in the next one. I'm suffering. This game is too difficult.